Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'll be showing you how to create this YouTube banner in Photoshop using a few simple tools. So we are beginning with these sizes and all the settings to be same. And once we have this, we're gonna take the rectangle tool, gonna click, and you have to note down these numbers. Without them you cannot make the YouTube banner. There we go. So we're just gonna keep it right here, and we're gonna take the rectangle tool again, click again, and this time we're gonna change the height slightly and keep the height same 423. Yes, and we're gonna keep that on side, and gonna take the rectangle tool once more and gonna change the width slightly 1546, and the height will remain the same once again 423. Click on OK. So now we are done. This is the main space where we have to do a banner. Let's select it all and let's go to the three dots up there, and we have to make sure that it's on canvas. That's very important. Make sure it's centered and vertically aligned. And now we're gonna go to view, guides, and new guides. Now we have all the guides, we don't need the shapes now. So now in the middle part we have to make our banner. So I'm gonna insert a solid color, black, which suits my channel. Now I'm going to just take the type tool and just write my name, my channel name, and probably that has to be bigger and center. Just making sure it's at the center. There we go. And I want to put a slide subscribe handle in the top left corner. Let's do a rectangular tool. Let's make it bright yellow. It's contrasting well with the purple. Let's make it slightly rounded. Let's make it slightly rounded, and let's send it to the back. Let's write here subscribe in capital letters, of course. This is actually behind the object, so we have to put the type over the object like this. So here we go, subscribe. It's bright purple. It looks really good in my opinion with the yellow. So now what I want to do is I want to write a subheading on what I will upload on my channel, at least what I plan for now. New tech reviews and vlogs. We'll also make sure that it's in the center. Of course, you can center align it once you're done. Now we need a Instagram handle. So if you guys want to follow me at this tagline right here. Now what I want to do is I want the Instagram logo right there. So I'm gonna open Adobe Illustrator. If you have the Adobe subscription like me, you get this software for free. So any document you open, make sure it's in RGB color mode. And I'm going to drag the Instagram photo I found on Google, and I'm just gonna trace it. It's far more simpler in Adobe Illustrator. I know you can do it in Photoshop as well, but I'm more comfortable with this kind of work in this particular software. So you take your rounded rectangle tool, make sure it's in a stroke, not a fill, because that's how you're gonna trace it properly. Yes, you have to round it up just like this to match the official Instagram logo. Yes, I'm done with tracing the object. Now we just remove the picture, delete the picture, and just prove the tracing that we have done. Now we just drag this image into Photoshop. It's invisible right now because all of the strokes are black. I have to change it to white color. So what you do is select the object like this, and a new window will appear within Illustrator. Now you can edit whatever you want. I want to turn the stroke into white and make it thicker so it's more visible. And when I'm done, just simply click save, minimize the document, and it's done. Just like that, you have your very own Instagram logo created from. Now I made a few adjustments to the YouTube banner. You can see I've changed the text style and the logo. What I did was just click on the text and then change the pattern of it. I went to legacy patterns and got this pattern and just decreased the opacity over time until I was satisfied enough with the result. I clicked OK, but in this case I have already done that. Now with the stroke, what I did in Photoshop, my final product. So that's how you make a YouTube banner. I hope you liked this video. If you don't forget to leave the video a like and subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next video.